Good morning students. Today we will learn how to find HCF by prime factorization. Students, by HCF we mean highest common factor. HCF is the greatest factor that two numbers have in common with each other. Students, we can find out HCF of given numbers by two methods. First method is prime factorization method and second method is division method. So today we will proceed with the prime factorization method. So students, to find out the HCF by prime factorization, we need to follow three steps. Let's have a look about these three steps. In the first step, we have to find prime factors of given numbers by repeated division method. In step 2, we have to circle the common prime factors of given numbers. And in step 3, we have to find out the product of common prime factors of the number that will give HCF. Students, let's take an example. In this example, we have to find out the HCF of 36 and 54 by prime factorization. So what we will do, we will take the number 36 first because we will do the prime factorization separately. So first of all, we will find out the prime factors of number 36. Students, you know 36 is an even number. So we divide 36 with the lowest prime number. So lowest prime number is 2 here. So what we will do? We will divide 36 by 2 and we get 18. And then we divide 18 by 2 and we get 9. And you know that 9 is not an even number. It is an odd number. So what we will do? We will move to next prime number, that is 3. So we will divide 9 with 3 and we get 3. And then again we divide 3 with 3 and we get 1. And here we stop dividing because we get the last digit 1. So students, the factors of 36 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Similarly students, we will find out the prime factors of 54. First of all, we will divide 54 by 2 and we get 27. Then we divide 27 by 3 because 27 is not divisible by 2. So we get 9. And then we divide 9 with 3. So we get 3. And then at last we divide 3 with 3 and we get 1. So prime factors of 54 are 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So students, what will I do now? Now we have to find out the common factors. So students, here you can see that in 36 the first prime factor is 2. Also in 54 first prime factor is 2. So we will make a pair of these two. Then second prime factor of 36 is 2, but there is no more 2 in 54. So we will not going to consider second prime factor, that is 2 in 36. Now students, you can see that next number, that is 3 in 36 is making the pair with the second prime factor of 54. So we will make the pair of these 3 and then again the last prime factor of 36 and the third prime factor of 54 is again making pair. So we will encircle it and at the last we will left with the last factor of 54, that is 3, and it is not making any pair. So we are not going to consider this 3 also. So students, look at here. We will encircle the pairs of these common factors. Now we will follow the third step. What is the third step here? We have to find out the product of common prime factors. So students, you can see that the first pair of 2 is 2. So I will write the first number here 2, and then we are making the group of this 3. Then I will write 3 here, and then again we have one more group of 3. So I will write 3 here again. Now I will multiply these 3 numbers and I will get 2 into 3 into 6 into 3 as 18. So students, HCF of 36 and 54 is 18 here. Thank you and have a nice day.